Hello, let's get together and do a backline stretch. I have three potential tools here to use. The first, yellow, is a pool noodle. The second is a rolled up yoga mat. And the third is a half dome foam. Okay, my preferred tool is the half dome. And since I have it, that's what I'm going to use. But the pool noodle and the rolled up yoga mat work really well as well. Okay, so when we do the stretch, you want to have the leg that you're stretching is going to be on the dome. The ball of the foot comes onto the dome. Your heel is well planted on the floor, and then your grounding foot, that's the one that I'm bouncing here, is next to the dome. Depending on how tight you are depends upon where you place your foot. So if you're super tight, then your foot is going to be behind. The front leg, however, we want to make sure that the hip, the knee, and the ankle are stacked on top of one another while doing this. And keep your head up, check in with your posture, make sure you're breathing. It's really imperative that you keep the knee soft. If you lock the knee, the stretch will stop at the calf. If you keep the knee unlocked, then the stretch has the ability to potentially go all the way up through your crown. And you'll have to hang out for about 10 minutes for that to happen. If the foot behind you does not feel like anything's happening, then try placing it right next door. And if that feels like a comfortable stretch, you can stop there. If you feel like you need something additional, then you're going to take your foot and you're going to place it in front, and that will increase the intensity of the stretch. Every single time that you move, you want to make sure that you continue to check in with the hip, the knee, and the ankle stacking, and make sure that you are leaving the knee soft. Okay. Always do both sides, everybody, and that is how you do your backline stretch.